me up as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, beep, beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my pedal to the floor to give this guy the shake. But the little Nash Ramblers right behind still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with guts. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The little Nash Rambler was right behind. I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110. It certainly was a race. For a Rambler to pass the caddy would be a big disgrace. Then a guy would have wanted to pass me up as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as we can go. The little Nash Rambler is up beside us if we're going slow. He'll double roll down his window and yell for me to hear.
Hey buddy, how do you get this far? Out of second gear.
In the driver's seat, let her take you anywhere.
This vacation, really let yourself go. Go Hertz Class. With a new Chevrolet or other fine car, you'll see things you've never seen before. Do things you've never done before. Hertz lets you change the pace completely. Go where you want, when you want. If you wish, take up to 20 months to pay with the new Hertz revolving credit plan. So why hold yourself back? You get a rest while Hertz does the rest.
Just let her put you in the driver's seat today.
You've landed on radio station KEBC, your highway station in the great Sooner